Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to boot your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone into safe mode. So the first thing we're gonna do is hold the hang up button to open up the power down menu, and then we're going to hold on the power off button. So hold the power off button until this reboot to safe mode alert appears. Then click OK, and your phone is going to restart into safe mode. And here you can see once your phone has reset, you have the safe mode text on the bottom left, and that means that you're in safe mode, and all of the third-party apps that you have installed on your phone aren't working on your phone until you reboot it back into normal mode. And to reboot it back into normal mode, you're going to hold the hang up button again and just restart the phone. And your phone will be back into normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.